Introducing the Sealey Truck Bed Cargo Unloader, designed for seamless unloading of heavy cargo from your truck bed. Securely fastens to your tailgate without the need for welding, cutting or drilling. Suited to compact and step-side truck beds with a maximum tailgate thickness of 9.5 centimeters. Includes a high-quality polypropylene mat designed to withstand high strain without tearing. It can take high-capacity cargo of up to 900 kilograms. Suitable for all sorts of materials such as soil, gravel, mulch, clay, sand, refuse and firewood. The removable crank handle is only needed when clearing cargo for added convenience. Simple crank system allows for quick unloading of the cargo from your truck bed. Single-person operation allows easy unloading of cargo, reducing the risk of back injuries. Upgrade your truck today with the Sealey 900 kg Truck Bed Cargo Unloader.